Hello. Welcome to my channel, my dear friends. My name is ABHILASH and I'm trader next door. In this video, I'll be analyzing the chart of gold USD. So if you're watching my videos for the first time, you can subscribe to my channel for regular market analysis. So let's get started. And my dear friends, this is the 15 minutes chart of gold in front of us, and we can see that overall market is under a little bit of selling pressure that we expected, and we can see that right now at this moment, gold is trying to take support around 4850. So what is the situation right now? Overall, we have a little bit of bearish pressure here, but yes, the buyers have not surrendered yet, and they are trying to take support around 4850 area. And throughout the day, we can expect the market to remain choppy. Yes, we are not expecting a strong trend in the market today. And the reason is the FOMC. Yes, today is also a special day because of the FOMC. If you look at the economic calendar, you will see that we have FOMC coming out at night in my time zone. Okay, please check the time in your time zone from the economic calendar. But before the FOMC also, we have events in the US session. There may not be big moves, okay, but still be careful. Okay. And if we look at the present market sentiment, you can see gold extends downturn. Gold fell more than 2% to around 4870 per ounce, as strengthening US dollar index and recalibrated expectations for Federal Reserve easing eroded bullion's near-term support. Gold falls 3% on stronger dollar US Iran progress. So market is more or less hopeful for the US and Iran talk. And this is another reason why gold is under pressure, because whenever there's a global crisis, gold flies. But when the crisis subsides, okay, gold weakens. So this is what is going on in the market right now. And we are back to the chart of gold again. So where are the trading opportunities? And so before the major event like FOMC, NFP, CPI, as we all know, the trading opportunities are limited. As you can see, right now the range of gold is 4900 at the top and 4850 at the bottom. Not seeing precisely, because if you look at the precise levels, then it is around 4910 and around 4940. But overall, so 4900 at the top and 4850 at the bottom. So this is the range of gold right now. But this range cannot be trusted here, because gold has been very volatile for the last few days. Small candles are giving hundreds of pips, as we all know. Okay, and trading in this tight range can be very dangerous. So I personally feel that there is a possibility that market may go for some SL hunting or liquidity sweep around this area. So during the day, if you see that gold is going up, as FOMC is also coming up, there is a possibility of a liquidity sweep here. There is a possibility of a liquidity sweep here. If you see gold coming down after some upside, okay, then you can look for a sell position below 4905, 4900. It means that after hunting down all the stop losses, okay, gold has come down again. So instead of buying and breakout, okay, we can look for a liquidity sweep, or we can sell below 4900 once the market will be coming down below it. Buying and breakout can be risky. See, I'm recording the video in the Asian session. If things change during the European session, US session, then obviously you can look for a buy and breakout. But as of now, okay, I do not see a big possibility of a breakout here. The second selling opportunity for the day traders is around 4950. Okay, around 4950. It can be 4949 or it can be 495253 as well, because these levels work as zones in a market, not as precise numbers. So around 4950, we have a psychological resistance. So if you see market struggles around 4950 area, if you see gold is showing price rejection from above, or if you see some shooting star kind of a pattern, okay, if you see strong price rejection or hanging man kind of a pattern, you can look for a sell around 4950 as well. So these are the two selling opportunities that I see on the chart of gold right now while recording the video. The first selling opportunity is around 4900, but after liquidity sweep, not selling directly, because there is a possibility of SL hunting. Then we can also look for a selling opportunity on 4950 being a psychological resistance. And at the bottom, okay, things are a little bit difficult here to understand. Okay, let me remove the levels here. Okay, because if we look at the hourly time frame, my dear friends, on the hourly time frame, we can see the market has formed a descending triangle pattern or kind of a descending triangle pattern. And descending triangle pattern is a bearish pattern. Market is forming lower highs here. Usually in a descending triangle pattern, we see the market going down. But before FOMC, chances of market going down is very less. I don't think so. The market will be falling with huge volume. So, okay, if you want to go for a sell position, okay, below 4840, you can go, but personally, I will not suggest it. In case you see the market is dropping with high volume, you can try to scalp for $7 to $8 or $10, means around 80 to 100 pips. Because whenever the market, if you look at the candles here, whenever the market is falling with huge candles, but the size of the candle is good enough. But if you observe, then you'll see that a downtrend is not continuing. So there is a possibility that after one big red candle, market may try to recover. Okay, so I said that you can look for a selling opportunity of 80 to 100 pips. That's why. Okay, and we have a strong support around 4700. Yeah, 4700 to 4680. After news also, if market takes up around this area, or if you are a buyer, or if you deal with physical gold, okay, you can try to buy around 4700 or 4680 area. This is kind of a weekly support, you can say. So this is a level where I can expect some good buying, or I will be taking a buy position. So if market drops during the day because of the descending triangle pattern, okay, you can look for a sell, but be careful because though gold has been falling, okay, but gold is also recovering at the same time, not giving a clean move here. So be careful. Okay, and we can expect a overall choppy market throughout the day. Be careful, do not go for big lot sizes, because before a major event like NIP, CPI, FOMC, okay, market prefers to stay in a range, so you may get trapped in spikes, isn't it? So be careful. So let me remove the drawings here. Nothing much to say right now. Okay, let's hope for the best. That's all from my side, my dear friends. Thank you so much. Bye bye. Take care and be careful. Do not gamble with your hard-earned money. And obviously, the news comes out at a very bad time in my time zone. It comes around midnight. So usually, I do not trade FOMC. Okay. But those who are planning to trade FOMC, okay, stay sharp. Bye bye. Take care.